Good afternoon, good evening, fellow Sierra Leoneans. On this Wednesday, we the council March 7. We will go for who cast, we vote. And they give a ballot paper, we look like this. We get 16 candidates then. On this ballot paper, we get party that will represent the past. You get party that will promise the future. And among the one that will promise the future, you get on the one hustlers, you get on the one lineman, you get on the one conmen, you get on the opportunist. They get a few way very genuine. But among them, the way genuine, quite a good number of them, they will not get the chance and the opportunity for them to go beat the past. That's not APC and SLPP. APC and SLPP, they represent the past failures of 56 years. And the only man within this election, we're able to challenge APC and SLPP and beat them on March 7, and Dr. Kane Kole-Yomukela. And that means, if he want for strengthening, the one the way you want for vote for the future, if you want for strengthening the future against the past, then Dr. Kane-Yomukela is your only candidate. If you decide, say, you want to vote for any of the other small parties that will not get a chance for make any influence, it means two things. You take away vote from Dr. Kane-Yomukela, they help APC and SLPP for going to runoff. So for avoid that, if you really go into that ballot box, you're not influenced by parties and colors, you're not influenced by tribal affiliation, you're not influenced by money, like a politician, they throw money for buying a vote. But you do this vote here so for your own future, your picking and future, for this country in future, for not go transform with economy, for not march into economic freedom, then you know say Dr. Kane-Yomukela is your only chance. So the more votes we give Dr. Kane-Yomukela, the better chance we get for beat the past. So when you go to the ballot box, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 6. You see the Okada sign. You see Dr. Kane-Yomukela in here, the wear white cap. You see name Yomukela Kande Kole. Now the only option and we get at this election for transform the future of this nation. So if you cast the post day, you sign a covenant between you and the future. You fall on the long way, you wrap on this way, you put her inside the ballot box. When you do that, if you're not person, you know, mama and papa, we don't languish in poverty for how many years? When you great grandpa and then vote the same way, then die poor. Your grandpa then vote the same way, then die poor. Your daddy then vote the same way, then die poor. You inherit that poverty. The only way you go able to prevent you from not past that poverty to picking them, now when you make a decision March 7, you will transform their own life. If we don't give the keys to the gold, diamond, and bauxite of this nation to APC and SLPP for 56 years, let them change your life. They're not doing. It means the only way life will change now when you change your vote. And if you change your vote in March 7, you then embrace the future. And Dr. Kane-Yomukela will create a foundation where tomorrow when you begin, turn general manager in a bank, you don't turn engineer, you don't turn pilot, you don't turn businessman, you run multi-million-dollar businesses then, you go come to your say, Papa, I tell you thank you for that decision where you take March 7. Because you, they not give bank to you, they not get bank account for you, not get house for you, not get land for you. But that decision where you make March 7, don't give me opportunity now where they can help you, me, mama, and papa. If you're not person, when I police don't suffer, military don't suffer, youth man don't suffer, mommy when I market woman don't suffer. You know somebody where they work, they know they pay, you know woman where they don't abuse. Now you March 7 and you land for freedom. So jump and vote number 6 when Dr. Kane Kole-Yomukela. Thank you very much. It's not just my Mami Suma. Bam.